Okay, so here is your Hyrel pick and place single wide. You can have multiples of these installed in one machine. You can have them with different size tips. The tips just pop in and out. Make sure to use the machine gently when you're doing this. You can hear it click back in. Do not rapidly move this motor on your own. You can use it smoothly like this. If you jerk it, you can give a spike to the system. This motor stamp here runs the rotate on this motor like this. The embedded controller controls the main up and down. Home sensor. Pneumatic switch. You're going to put your air supply here. Somewhere around 50 to 60 psi. Should be very functional. This switch opens. It goes through this vacuum ejector. The vacuum goes right through to the tip. That's how it creates the vacuum to pick up the part. Jacob will do some more stuff to show you what tips are appropriate. When you install this, do it gently. Do it with the EMO pressed in so you don't short anything on the 12-volt line. It's installed now. It registers on the Repetrel GUI. I'm going to go to the second menu, that's what the little arrow's for, and hit the home park button. There it homed, and now it parked. And now I will go back and just demonstrate what a pickup looks like. So it would have gone down to pick up a part, and then I'm going to demonstrate a placement. Okay, if you want to come around this side and take a video of the little red LED where my finger is at. I'm going to pick it up again. You'll see where it would have turned on the vacuum. See that light come on? Vacuum remains on while that red light's on. That's the solenoid. And then when I place it down, keep watching. I'm going to place it down. It will turn it off. It dwells for just a programmable amount of time to let the part get released. And then it proceeds. I got it backwards. There we go. Okay, so now the camera is showing up. If you come around here to interface, I'll show you how to do the camera. Alright, so now what we're going to do is you have to click this little guy and say refresh camera list. And we're the HD camera. And we're on. And there it is. You can see the corner of the plate here right now. What's weird is that actually is all twisted now. It shouldn't be that twisted. So I can jog this. You'll see it going. So another thing you want to look at is the crosshairs. So if you look up here in the upper right corner, there's a little crosshair button. You click on that, and there should have actually been crosshairs in the center of this. There we go. So the crosshairs is how you're going to identify where your part is. This should be a lot further up, so we can take and okay, let's just go see what happens if we go to the pickup now. Almost made it. So it's got to go a few. There. Went right straight to the top of the surface. So if you got this, you can watch it when it goes and picks up. That's where it would have picked up a part. And this is going to be at placing it down. And this is spring-loaded tip. So it's okay that it over travels by 1 or 2 millimeters, but not more. And that pushes the part firmly into the receptacle part where it's at, so it doesn't just let go, or it allows the part to stick to the board or to the print, whatever you're doing here. Now I'll show you later on how we move this camera to get it to be at the right angle, because right now it's twisted. I'm going to untwist it, but I'll do that later on. Okay, cool. That's the big skinny right there. Always hit pause. And now we're done with that, and now we can release the camera.
Hi, this is Jacob Heiser, and today I'm going to explain the pick and place menu operation. Hysteresis of the home sensor is how far you pop off before you come back to double check your home. Max travel sets the maximum travel for the up and down. Speed controls the speed for the movement. Park position. Park is between the max and min travel. Positions is positions for pick up and place down. How far it goes to pick it up will not always be the same. You are picking it up from one feeder and placing it onto a circuit board that may have a different height. Suck is when picking up. You can tell it when to turn on the suction. In some cases, you may not want to wait until you get all the way down to start suction, because there is a little bit of dwell time. Dwell is how you can specify how long you are trying to suck up the part before moving on. Suck for placing down specifies when the suction is turned off. Vacuum sense senses a vacuum when picking up a part and determines if the part is picked up. When set to 4096, this is disabled. It will not check if the part is picked up.